Please don't move that, okay? How many boys and girls are there total? 6. 4 boys and 2 girls, total 6. Now if I ask you how many ways can I take the photograph? 6 people are there. How many ways can I take the photograph? 66. Very first lecture, I discussed with you with 3 people and we had jotted down on the board 6 different outcomes. 3P3. 6 people, how many photographs can be taken? 720. 6P6, 6 factorial. Now listen to my question carefully. Now there is a condition. I want a photograph. Like for example, right now if I take 720 photographs, then you go on this side, you come in. Is this one of the kind of photograph I may get? Yes or no? Yes. Back to your positions. Now the condition is that 2 girls should always come together in the photo. I want to see the photograph in such a way that 2 girls always appear together. Now, don't stress your mind. I'll explain you how to do it. Listen carefully. You asked me that question in the beginning, right? If I want that 2 girls should always come together, shall I tie them with a string? Yes, be attentive. Now will both these girls come together or not? Now tell me, listen to the question carefully. Silence, listen to my question carefully. Listen to my question carefully and answer it. Now, how many people do I need to arrange? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They become 1? Is it or not? Like for example, they should be coming together. You come this side. I am arranging 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people only. Are they together or not? You come this side. I am arranging only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You come this side. Again, I am arranging only 5 people. And you come this side. Is it or not? Now, tell me. Yes, keep silence. Now tell me. 5 people I can arrange in how many ways?
120.
5 people. 5 ways. 5 people I can arrange in how many ways? 5 ways. One more thing. Please, inside the string, change your positions. Here also, will both be together or not?
Yes.
Means inside the string, again I can arrange 2 people in how many ways? 2P, 2 ways. So in how many photographs will 2 girls be together? 5P5 into 2P2. Did you understand this or not? Everyone is clear with this concept? Remove the string. Take your seats. So, now, same question, suppose I reverse it, now be attentive. Who did this? Kiran was moving it. What was the need to move it? Now, same question, suppose, Kiran be attentive. There are 4 boys and 2 girls. Right now my question was, how many ways can we take a photograph that 2 girls come together? Now if my question in how many ways you can take the photograph that 4 boys come together? 4 boys. In all photographs, 4 boys come together. Now, first of all, raise your hand. How many people we have to arrange? Raise your hand. How many people we have to arrange? Dhruvi? 3. Because now we will tie the boys with the string. So they all become one. String should be very powerful. Now, resultantly we have to arrange 1, 2, 3 people. In how many ways can you arrange 1, 2, 3 people? 3 ways. And inside the string, the 4 boys can be arranged in how many ways? 4p, 4. So 3 factorial into 4 factorial. 3 factorial is 6, 124. Sorry, 24. So 144. Did everyone of you understand this? So all of you are clear with this option? Now suppose we have 3 Mercedes cars and 3 Audi cars. Okay, 3 Mercedes cars and 3 Audi cars. Now if I ask you the question, how can you arrange them so that the cars come alternately? We have to arrange the cars, suppose in the parking plot we have to arrange the cars, but the cars should come, or it means it should be Mercedes Audi, Mercedes Audi, Mercedes Audi, mama, or mama, Audi Mercedes, Audi Mercedes, Audi Mercedes. Now tell me, in how many ways can I arrange 3 Mercedes cars in 3 places? In how many ways can I arrange 3 Mercedes in 3 places? 3p3. 3 Audi in 3 places. 3p3. And total how many ways of doing it? 2. Because in both the options, Mercedes 3p3 and Audi 3p3. So total how many outcomes are possible? What is this 3p3 for? Mercedes. What is this 3p3 for? Audi. And what is this 2 for? 2 different alternatives which are possible. So 3p3, 3p3 and 2. 6 into 6, 36 into 2, 72. Total 72 ways you can park the cars in the parking. Did everyone understand this? Majority all the points are covered. Suppose one more point. Suppose the numbers are 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this you must be able to answer if you have got the point correctly. How many 4-digit numbers can be found which will be greater than 3000? Raise your hand. How can you do this? How many 4-digit numbers can be found which will be greater than 3000? That's it. Others are not able to answer. Patel?
3p1 because we have to not take the second 2 in first place.
Very good. First of all 3p1 because when will the number be more than 3000 if the first digit is? Which is the first digit? 3, 4, 5. If the number starts with 2 then it is less than 3000. When will the number be more than 3000 if it starts with 3, 4, 5? How can you do this? 3p1. And how many numbers and places will remain? 3 numbers and 3 places. So 3 into 3 factorial, 3 into 6. 18 numbers will be more than 3000. Do you understand this question, everyone? Any confusions with this? Permutations topic of the chapter is over if you have understood all this. Now what we are supposed to do from tomorrow onwards is only presentation. This is a rough work. How to properly present it in the language form that we'll see in the notebook. All the variety of examples are discussed in a single lecture itself. Did everyone understand this? If you have understood this properly, then now you must be able to answer me when we start with the textbook questions. Okay? That'll be all for today. We'll start with the chapter tomorrow. Bye, Jalan.